Hello guys, welcome to Logic Hub. In this video we can find the value of this question, which is 9 divided by 3 open parenthesis 3 divided by 9. So how can we find the value of this question? If you are talented, then solve this question just in 40 seconds. But if you are student and do not know about this type of question, then don't worry. In this video I can simplify these questions step by step. So if you are new in my channel, then kindly subscribe to my channel. So guys, our solution is, guys, one rule which is very important for order of operation, which is called PEMDAS, where P stand for parentheses, E stand for exponent, M and D stand for multiplication and division, A and S stand for addition and subtraction. Here in PEMDAS, parentheses have higher priority than other operation. So in this question, firstly we can solve parentheses. So I can write as it is 9 divided by 3 parenthesis 3 divided by 9. I can write it as 3 divided by 9. Now guys, in next step, 9 divided by 3, here 3 and 9 cancel with each other and the answer is 1 over 3. Now here guys, multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to from left to right. So here firstly we can solve division and then multiplication according to PEMDAS rule. So 9 divided by 3 equal to 3 times 1 over 3. Now here 3 and 3 cancel with each other and the final answer of this question is just 1. Guys, this is the final answer of this question. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment. I will reply your question and kindly subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.